So my name is Vince Molinaro, president of Molinaro Fine Italian Foods. We're second generation. My father Gino was the founder. Father Gino got into the pizza business in 1964. So we've been in the pizza business for 61 years now. I met Giorgio from Schubert probably around 2019. From that point, he was always, checking in, checked our operation to see where he thought he might be able to help us.
The employees were very hesitant to pick this dough balls with the oil and keep placing in the pans. When they put the gloves on, the glove slips away, and they had to handle the dough ball bare hand. And at the end of the shift, they were completely drenched in their uniforms in the oil.
This is what we are running with. We've got 6 cavities in. The dough ball comes from the divider. It goes through the image processing camera, in which it decides which dough ball to pick it up. If the dough ball is out of shape, or if it's double the size, or the size of the dough ball is too big or a too small dough ball, the robot won't pick it up. It will go back in the bin. And other than that, all the robots, you got a first priority on the first robot, second one on the second priority. The last robot decides to make sure that it fills up all the pans and the cavities. That's how it works.
With this machine, around, depending on the format, around 100 dough balls per minute. And the key, it's really important to have this kind of vision system with multiple cameras and projectors. So as you can see here, we detect the product and then we pick almost immediately. So we read and pick in a length of 1.5 meter maximum. And the first dough balls we pick are in the distance of 700 millimeters. And that's important for to pick the product always properly. And then if you pick properly the product in the right position, then we can center the dough balls in the pans. In this system we have one camera, combination of vision systems, which is controlling 3 robots. Really important to work at the beginning with the customer, with Dinesh, to design the tool in the proper way. And we have a testing machine here in Canada locally, and we run some tests with different kind of grippers. We modify the grippers 2 or 3 times until we define the right tooling, the right gripper for each one of the different dough balls. 30 seconds to replace the tool.
We see ourselves in the next 5 years to continue to grow the business. We're investing more money in equipment now. We've got a new sheeting line coming in. We're actually starting to install it now. We've got a new oven coming in from Italy at the end of the year. So that should free up not only more capacity, but it'll give us an opportunity to make other products more efficiently. We hope to have Schubert alongside us. They've done a great job for us.